Hello scholars, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing two-digit multiplication. Alright, so we're multiplying by numbers that have 2 digits. Alright, so what do? First we multiply by the first digit. We multiply everything by the first digit in that row, and then we're going to go to the second row and multiply by the second digit. Then we're going to be adding them together. So 7 8s 56, that's 6 ones, 5 tens. So the 6 stays in the ones place, the 5 is carried to the tens place. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 5, 47. Now we put a 0 at the end to hold the space because we're multiplying now by the tens. Alright, so we put a 0 in the ones place. And now we're going to forget about the 7 for the time being and focus on the 2. And if you had carried anything over from the first set of multiplication, some students like to erase it, or you can leave it, but just remember this was from the first set and you're going to have a different set now working with if you have anything to carry over, right? So 2 8s are 16, we put down the 6, carry the 1, 2 6s are 12 and 1 13. And now we're going to add. So 6 plus 0, 6, 7 plus 6, 13, so that's 3 ones, 1 10, 3 plus 4, 7 and 1 8, and we carry down the 1. So it's 1,836. Now we're multiplying 33 times 40. Here we have a 0, and we know that 0 times anything will just give 0. So we can go ahead and put in the zeros. Always remember your 0 at the end in the second row before you start multiplying by the second digits. So now we multiply by the 4. 4 3s 12, put down 2, carry 1. 4 3s 12 again, plus 1, 13. And now we add 1,320. Now, you realize that when we're multiplying by a number that has a 0 at the end, we could have just put a 0 at the end instead of having to do this step. But I just did it to show you still, but you could just put a 0 at the end and multiply by the 4 and put the answer for that. And you would have gotten the same thing. 86 times 91. So we're going to multiply by the 1 first. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 8, 8. Put a 0 at the end. 9 6 is 54. 9 8 72 plus 5, 77. So that's 6, 8 and 4, 12. 7 and 1, 8. And we carry down the 7. So that's 7,826. 58 times 63. 3 8s 24. That's 2 10s, 4 1s, 3 5s 15 and 2 17. Put a 0 at the end. 6 8s 48, so that's 8, carry 4. 6 5s 30 plus 4, 34. And now we add 4 plus 0, 7 plus 8, that's 15. 1 plus 1, 2 and 4, 6. Carry down the 3, 3,654. Now we're still multiplying by 2 digits, just that the numbers that are at the top are no longer 2 digits. They have 3 or 4 digits, but it's the same principle. So I just threw those in to show you it's the same principle. You just multiply them by the first digit, then go to the second row, put your 0 at the end, and multiply by the second digit, just like up here. So again, we're multiplying by 0, so let's just fill in our zeros. Put a 0 at the end here. 3 6s are 18. 1 10, 8 ones. 3 4s 12 and 1 13. 3 1s 3 and 1 4. $4,380. 689 times 51. So 1 times 9, that's 9. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 6, 6. Put your 0 at the end. 5 9s 45. That's 5, carry 4. 5 8s 40 plus 4, 44. That's 4, carry 4. 5 6 is 30 plus 4, 34. So 9 plus 0, 8 plus 5, 13. That's 3, carry 1. 6 and 1, 7 and 4, 11. 4 and 1, 5, and we carry on 3. That's 35,139. 1,738 times 26. So 6 is 48. That's 8, carry 4. 6 3 is 18 and 4 22. That's 2, carry 2. 6 7 is 42 plus 2 44. 4, carry 4. And 6 1 6 and 4 10. So we put our 0 here. 2 8 16, that's 6, carry 1. 2 3 6 plus this one that we just carried, that's 7. 2 7s 14, that's 4, carry 1. 2 1s 2 and 1, 3. And now we add 8 plus 0, 2 plus 6, 4 plus 7, that's 11. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 45,188. And finally, 3,009 times 42. 2 9s 18, so that's 8, carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1, that's 1. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 3 is 6. We put a 0 at the end. 4 9s 36, that's 6, carry 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3, that's 3. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 3 is 12. 8 plus 0, that's 8. 1 plus 6, 7. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 plus 0, 6. And we have nothing to add to the 12. So that's 126,378. Alright, so that's 2-digit multiplication. Right? So all we did was first multiply by the first digit, put our answers. If we have to carry any number, we carry it as a small digit to the left, the top left. And when we go to the second digit, we always put a 0 to hold that place, because we're actually multiplying by tens now, right? In the tens place. And again, if we carry numbers, we carry them to the top just the same. So this was for the first digit. This was carried over for the second digit. Try not to confuse them. Some students erase the first set. So as soon as they're done with the first set, they erase any numbers that they carry. I don't think you have to do that. Just make sure you write them small, and the new ones you put them further to the top. I think that will work, so you don't confuse yourself. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to be doing 3-digit multiplication. If you have learned from this video, just drop a line to say "Thank you, Miss" in the comments, and please share this video so that other students can benefit from the information and know how to do their 2-digit multiplication. If you have any topics that you'd like me to do videos on, just let me know and I'll do that for you. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would encourage you to do so now. So my scholars, I'll see you in the next video.